Hello and welcome to another All Nation Line video. Today I want to talk about some homegrown tools that we use here in the shop. These tools were made many years ago in our machine shop, and today we want to speak about a particular part, and that is the steps that you would often find in our kits for boxcars, flat cars, or even tank cars that are used on the four corners of the cars. The step initially looks like a staple, like the one I'm holding here. You'll note that it has a U shape or channel bend to it with two holes on either leg, and the finished part would look like this with the twist on the ends for mounting onto the side of the car. The other type of step is one that has what I call a dog leg or a bend to it. It also has the twist. And of course, we have two different homegrown jigs or fixtures here to do this. So typically on this one here, the way this is set up, there's two rods that go through this piece with the back end gears and a little screw here for a lever. And you would insert the step into holes into this particular cylinder, and then the grooves here, when you bring this door up, will hold it steady while you turn this to put the bend into the part. So we'll demonstrate the straight one here. I'll take one step that's not bent. We will stick it into the cylinders, push it all the way in. You'll note that the lever is at 12 o'clock. We'll bring the little door up to hold the part, and then in order to put the twist on it, we would take the lever from 12 o'clock and bring it down a little past 3 o'clock. There's a little bit of spring in the brass, so it'll spring back. We'll remove the part, and the twist will be consistent every time and be done correctly. So that's one of the unique tools we have in the shop, and you'd be surprised how many of these you can do in a very short amount of time, even though it's a very manual process. Maybe today a shop would tend to want to automate the whole process, that is taking the raw brass, stamping it, punching the holes, and then putting the twist in some sort of complex compound die. But sometimes simpler is better, and we thought you would enjoy seeing some of our tooling that we have in the shop and make modeling life a little easier for everyone.